Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Android application development tutorial. In today's episode we are going to learn about how to update a notification. So in the previous episode of this tutorial series we already learned about how to issue a notification using notification manager. So if you need to issue a notification for the same events, then there is no need to issue the notification again. Instead you can update the existing notification. So here in this episode I am going to show you how to update a notification. So if the user already dismissed the notification, we have to recreate the notification again. If the notification is still there, then the Android system will automatically update the existing notification. Okay, so we need some user components. So here I am going to add some buttons into the activity main.xml file. So here I am going to add one button, this button for issuing the notification. So we have to make some changes on the XML. Change the button text into issue notification. Okay. Also I change the layout width into match parent. Also add some on-click method for this button and throw it on click issue notification. Okay, so now I add a new button to the activity main.xml file. Add another button here, change the width into match parent. Okay, also change the text into update notification. Okay, also add an on-click method and throw it on click update notification. Okay, so here I add two buttons. First one is for issuing the notification and second one is for updating the notification. So you can update a notification using the ID, notification ID. So if you use the same ID for again issuing the notification, it is an update process. Okay, so for that, for understanding the concept well, here I am going to add another button to issue another notification. So change the text into issue another notification. Okay, also add an on click method and throw it on click issue another. Also change the layout width into match parent. Okay, now we complete all the GUI. First button is for issuing the notification, second one is for updating the existing notification, and the third button for issue another notification. Okay, now we have to define all these method on the main activity. So copy the first method issue notification. So go to main activity.java. So create the first method public void issue notification. Okay, now comes to the second method update notification. So public void update notification. One more method is there, issue another. So copy this method, public void issue another. Okay, so all these methods are handle a view click, so you need an object of view class here. Okay, so we need the same argument in all other two methods. Okay, so when user click the issue button, the issue notification button, we have to issue a notification. So before going to start the notification, here I am going to declare two integer variables. First one is int notification id and initialize that variable with the value 1, and also another variable int message count, initialize that variable with the value 1. Okay, so now here I am going to create another method for all the notification operations. So create another method, public void notification operations. Okay, now here I am going to add two arguments for this method. First one is int id, second one is count, int count. Okay, so here I am going to create the notification. So you have to create an object of notification combat dot builder. So notification combat dot builder. I name the object as builder equal to new builder, and pass the context object this. Okay, so now by using this object we can set the parameters of the notification. So first we have to set a small icon for the notification. So builder dot set small icon r dot drawable dot, I use the default icon IC launcher. Okay, now we have to set some title for the notification builder. So builder dot set content title my notification. Okay, and now here I am going to add some message content. So builder dot set content text, you have some messages, some amount of messages. Message. Okay, and here I add the variable count. Okay, it will show, the notification will show you have some amount of messages. Okay, now we have to issue the notification. So we have to use the notification manager object, notification manager num equal to get system service, and use the context object context dot, the service name is notification service. Okay, now here you have to typecast this one into notification manager. Okay, so now we have to issue the notification. So call the method notification manager dot notify. Use this method notify. First you have to provide the ID. Now you have to provide builder dot call the method called build. Okay, so when user click the issue notification button, this method will invoke. Okay, so here I am going to call that method this dot notification operations. Here you have to pass two arguments. First one is the notification ID and count. So here I pass the first argument notification ID, and second variable is message count. Okay, so when user click the notification issue notification button, we got a new notification with some message count. So the message count is initialized with the value 1. So this will show you have one message. Okay, So after issuing the notification, user may click the update notification if there is an update for the same event. So if you create the notification again with the same notification ID, then the system will check whether the notification is already available or not. If the user already dismissed the notification, the system will automatically regenerate the notification. Or if the notification is still available on the notification area, then the system makes some update process. In that case, the notification is not created again. Instead, the system will update the notification contents. Okay, so if user click the update button, we have to change the message count. So here I am going to make some updation. So I increment the message count value by 1 and again call the same method, notifications operations. Okay, now there is another button, issue another notification. So if user click this one, we have to create another notification. So I call this method again, but here I am going to change the notification ID. That means it is not an update operation, it will create another notification. Notification ID equal to 2. Also change the message count, reset the message count into 1. Okay, so we can check the application now. So I am going to run the application. So click the run button, play button. Okay, now here we got the project launched on the Android virtual device. Now here you can see that now there is no notifications are available on this virtual device. So now here I am going to issue the first notification. So I issue the notification. Now we got the notification. You have 2 messages. Sorry, I already run the project before, that's why this happened. Okay, now I relaunch the application again. Now there is no notifications are available on this virtual device. Now I click issue notification. Now there is a notification is available. You have 1 message. Okay, now here I am going to update the notification. That means here I not dismiss the notification. The notification is still available on the notification area, but here I am going to update the notification again. Now you can see that now the notification is updated. You have 2 message, and again I click update notification. It is again updated into 3. Okay, now I reset. I just remove all the notification. In this case, it is not an updation, it is a recreation. So I update the notification again. Now it is updated into 4, but here the system will regenerate the notification. So now here I am going to issue another notification. Now you can see that now the second notification use a new ID, a new notification ID. So the system will generate that notification as a separate one. This is the first one and this is the newly created one. Okay, this is how we update an existing notification in an Android application. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.